This video is of a typical RV campground where they have a group of washers and dryers that have been for years coin operated. And as you know, coins are limited in applications. You can only go up, quarter increments. In this case, they're up $1.50 to do a wash. With modern technology, the VendaCard, a debit card that has stored value on it, can be inserted into the reader like so, and then you select the amount of money that you want to spend. Example here, I'm sending over quarter pulses for my $1.50 vend. The value is read and written back to the card with the balance, so you can use the card over and over again. Upgrading coin operated machines are quite easy. It's only 2 wires that are connected to the coin mechanism switch. So when you do a vend, you're just closing the switch contacts or opening up depending on the type of mechanisms that's used. Modern technology, they don't use these older type slide mechanisms. They use what's called a coin drop. But you can retrofit these old antique washers and dryers with a kit that still uses the coins, but it trips a switch, which makes it very, very easy to upgrade with a VendaCard debit system like we're doing here with this campground. So they can still use their quarters, or they can use a card. Now, advantage with a card is it doesn't have to be in quarter increments. It can be in different types of increments. For example, doesn't have to be quarters and dollars. If you do away with the coin mechanisms completely, you can, example, charge 23 cents for a vend or $1.33. You can also do this in combination with antique coin mechanisms, like you see here where they're charging $1.50. You can do the vend for $1.33 because we send over the increments and take the money off the card. So you can take off $1.33 as an example here. So you can have washers and dryers operating on still coins or tokens, and with modern technology with a VendaCard system, so they can run in parallel.